I've lost two family members in the last 2 days. Every day the situation is getting really bad. There is a huge shortage of oxygen in all government facilities, private hospitals, nursing homes. And I think this is the reason why me and all of my friends, we've left all our work, business for the last 7-8 days. And all that we've been trying to do is provide a solution, even though it's a firefighting exercise, but it'll help save some lives. But as we started talking to hospitals, we realized that the need and the requirement was far, far, far more than any of us could ever imagine. Every day that we save and every day that we get these oxygen concentrators into India, we're going to save that many more lives. And I think there's nothing more than that. We hope that we'll be able to save a few lives. We've been trying to import oxygen concentrators from China. We received our first shipment yesterday, which was distributed to about 14 hospitals in Delhi. And all that we're really trying to do is help save lives. And that's why we've gone ahead. We put our own money into this. As of today, we've raised about 22.5 crores, which is roughly about $3 million. We're trying to raise money. We're using Keto as a crowdfunding platform. And I hope you guys support us in what we're trying to do. Thank you.